Hi everyone, we are the Wizards Group 4, Section 4. Today we are presenting Pantry Wizards, a mobile app that helps reduce food waste by generating recipes from ingredients you already have at home.
Food waste is a common issue caused by ineffective pantry management. Many users forget the food they already have, rely on manual tracking, and struggle to decide what to cook, which leads to expired and wasted food. Using the creative problem-solving approach, we first identified the problem of a food loss due to the lack of a centralized pantry management system. We then gathered facts, feelings, and opinions. Users often feel frustrated, overwhelmed, and guilty when food is wasted, and they believe that a digital solution could help reduce this problem. Next, the problem was restated to focus on the need for a system that can track food availability, expiry dates, and usage more efficiently. In the solution finding stage, divergent thinking was used to generate 10 possible solutions related to food waste reduction. This included smart appliances, food sharing initiative, and digital application. After that, convergent thinking was applied to evaluate and select the best ideas based on practicality, cost, impact, and risk. Evaluation metrics was used to compare the shortlisted ideas, and the leftover recipe application concept was identified as the most suitable solution. Based on the evaluation results, Pantry Wizard was selected as the final solution. The system effectively reduces food waste by helping users track pantry items digitally, generate recipes from available ingredients, and minimize human errors. The scamper method was applied to further enhance the Pantry Wizard concept. Manual food entry was replaced with food scanning to improve accuracy. Food inventory management was combined with DIY reuse suggestions to encourage sustainability. The system was adapted to recognize different food categories, and the overall process was simplified to improve usability.
Pantry Wizard is a digital pantry management application. Users can add or scan food items, track ingredients and expiry dates, and most importantly, generate recipes based on what they actually have at home. Instead of buying new ingredients, they use what they already own. This simple shift helps reduce food waste and improve meal planning.
In developing Pantry Wizard, a design-based development approach was used. Figma was chosen as the main tool to design and prototype the application. This approach allows us to focus on the user experience, interface usability, and system flow before actual implementation. The prototype serves as a simulation of how Pantry Wizard will function in a real-world environment. It helps visualize system features, navigation flow, and user interaction. This method also supports early testing and continuous improvement through user-centered design. This slide shows the overall user flow of the Pantry Visit application. The process starts with onboarding, where users can either log in or sign up. Existing users log in and are verified by the system, while new users sign up and add their information before entering the app. After that, user arrives at home screen, which act as the main hub of the application. From here, user can access all key features. Users can add ingredients into waste by scanning them using the camera or by manually typing the ingredient name. Once added, the ingredients are placed into the mixing cauldron, which is the core feature of Pantry Wizard. Users select their ingredient and the system generates suitable recipes based on what they have. Finally, users can save their favorite recipes and manage their profile, including preference, notification history, and achievement. Next is about the Pantry Visit logo. It represents the identity of the application. It features a cauldron, flame, and sparkles, symbolizing creativity and transforming available or leftover ingredient into meaningful meals. Each element of the logo has a specific meaning. The cauldron represents cooking and transformation. The orange flame symbolizes creativity and innovation, and the sparkles emphasize the smarts and wizard concept. The minimal design ensures recognizability and adaptability. Icons of pantry visits. Icons play an important role in improving usability. Pantry Visit uses intuitive icons such as home, cauldron, add ingredients, favorites, profile, notification, and many more to help users quickly understand system functions. The modules of Pantry Visit. This application consists of three main functional modules. First is the scanning or adding ingredients. These features help users track what they already have and reduces food waste by encouraging users to fully utilize existing ingredients. Next is the mixing cauldron for recipe generation. This features generates recipes based on selected ingredients, encouraging creative cooking. Lastly is the saving recipes to favorites. These features allows users to save recipes for future use. Next, the budget distribution of Pantry Visit. This table shows how the total estimated budget of RM 25,000 is allocated across different development stages of Pantry Visit. The largest portions are assigned to front-end development, back-end development, and UI/UX design as these are critical to system functionality and user experience. Smaller allocations are reserved for testing, deployment, marketing, and documentation to ensure smooth operation and long-term support.
Let me show you how Pantry Wizard works with a real example. When you first open the app, you see these onboarding screens explaining what the app does. Then new users create an account here on the sign up page. Existing users can sign in. Once logged in, we reach the home page. This is the home page, your main hub. You can see our wizard theme interface and the button navigation. Let's say I have some ingredients at home I want to use. I get two options, camera or menu. I have a banana on my counter, so I will choose camera. The scanning interface opens, I point my phone at the banana, and the system recognizes automatically. Perfect! My banana is now safe in my virtual pantry. I also have yogurt in my fridge. This time, I will use manual entry. I type yogurt in the ingredient field, select the quantity, let's say 502 grams. Great, now I have both banana and yogurt in my pantry inventory. Now let's see what I can make with this. This is the mixing cauldron where all my saved ingredients appear. I can see my banana and yogurt listed here. I will select banana and yogurt. Now the magic happens. The system analyzes these ingredients and generates possible recipes. Look at this! One of the suggestions is Rapunzel Harmas. This is our unique DIY reuse feature. Not just food recipes, but creative ways to use ingredients. The recipe page shows everything I need. The ingredients, banana and yogurt, which I already have. The procedure explains step by step, mash the banana, mix the yogurt, apply to hair, wait 20 minutes, then rinse. This is a natural hair conditioning treatment instead of letting these ingredients go to waste. I really like this idea. I will save it to my favorite so I can find it easily later. There, edit to favorite. Now, let me verify it is saved. Perfect. So in my favorite step, I can see the Rapunzel hair mask recipe is saved. Anytime I want to make this again, I just come here and access it immediately. This builds my personal library of useful recipes that work with ingredients I commonly have at home. Finally, let me show you the profile section. Here, users can see their achievement. When I'm done, I simply click Logout and that's the complete user's journey. What makes us creative? First, our wizard theme, not boring green app with leaf icons. Ours have cauldrons and potions, making it memorable. Second, our DIY reuse features. Competitors only give recipes. We also teach composting for food scraps. No competitor has this. Third, our complete solution. We track inventory, generate recipes, educate about sustainability, and help reuse scraps. We reimagine the entire food waste solution.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Atiqa Najwa and my metric number is CI250144145. So for this slide, I will explain the benefit of Pantry Visit to the user. So Pantry Wizard helps users to manage their pantry more efficiently by keep tracking of available ingredient and suggesting recipe based on what they already have. So this reduces common problems such as forgetting the food items, wasting ingredients, and feeling stressed about the meal planning. So by using this application, user can save money, reduce food waste, and spend less time to deciding what to cook. So the system is especially suitable for students and working adults who often have a limited time and a budget but still want to manage their food responsibly. So next, I will discuss the functional and sustainability benefit of Pantry Wizard. So this application is designed with the practical features such as ingredient scanning and the manual input, which make it flexible and easy to use. So by generating the recipe based on the available item or ingredients, so the system encourage user to to fully utilize their pantry items before they expire. So in addition, Pantry Wizard promotes a sustainable practice by providing the DIY reuse suggestion, so such as turning food waste into compost or fertilizer. Through this feature, the application supports Sustainable Development Goal 12, which focus on responsible consumption and production. In conclusion, Pantry Wizard demonstrates how creative problem solving and a digital innovation that can be used to address household food waste. By applying the creative problem solving framework and scramble analysis, the project successfully transformed a real world problem into a practical solution. And the developed Figma prototype showed that Pantry Wizard is a feasible, user-friendly, and capable of supporting a sustainable cooking habit. Overall, this project highlights the potential of technology to help users reduce the food waste, save money, and adopt to more sustainable lifestyle. To conclude our presentation, Pantry Wizard proved that small change in the daily food management, supported by a small digital tools, can create a positive impact on the both user and the environment. With further development and user testing, Pantry Wizard has a strong potential to become the meaningful solution for reducing the household food waste. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.